Your man ain't give you that meat, you know where you can eat. Here we're cooking with Chana, cooking with Chana. So I don't know how y'all clean y'all meat, but you know, like to rinse off the, you know, the butcher love, whatever they got going on in the back area. I want to bless my food they're about to receive and the nourishment of the body. Animal did not die in vain. I'm going to grind on his behalf. You know what I'm saying? That's the rinse off with a little apple cider, you know. Any little parasites, germs that need to get a taste of that, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to cook that up. Boom, let that sit for a second, and we're gonna salt and season this bad boy. Let's get busy. Now, here we go. We're gonna apply some olive oil. I was thinking about doing butter to get that nice, you know, Gordon Ramsay feel, but nah, we're not going over that route. Today we're gonna do some black pepper. I like black pepper. I like heavy on the black pepper actually. That shit can look, you know, love using my little. Probably need to put some more batteries in this joint. I ain't gonna lie to you. So we're going generously put the pepper in that joint. I love pepper. How I do it too, I put it on a container. That way I can just like dab it up. But I do think that we're gonna have to get a battery. So it's not hitting right. How we go. 6 of them, can you believe it? Ugh. Is it worth it? I'll be back. All right, now we back. Now that I've down there cutting the steak. We're gonna put a little bit of, I found a little steak seasoning. We're gonna actually play with it, little McCormick joints. No, they did not pay me. Just finding what I got in my fridge right now, in my cabinet. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Hit the size. I'll show you how I pick that up. So, you know, generous. I'll teach you something. Got the Himalayan joint. McCormick got the hella salt already, probably, so we're not gonna overdo it on the salt. But nevertheless, did I put garlic on that joint? Let me get some garlic powder up. That's onion powder. Need some paprika, but that's why I got that. If your Caesar cabbage don't look like that, yo, don't invite me. A little garlic on that joint. Now let's pick it up. See all that seasoning? That's how I pick all that up. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Try to get an example. Hold on, y'all. Cooking with Chana, cooking with Chana, cooking with Chana. Yeah, you see that? If I put the grill, fuck with me. My little wood pouch, you know what I'm saying? Get that nice and smoky. Get this temperature hitting on. Looking for like a 400. I would say 2, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna pad them going for a little red potatoes, you know what I'm saying? Get all that excess dirt off of it. I can stop dropping them motherfuckers. You try doing it on one hand. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hit it with some olive oil all over that. A little salt. I'm gonna throw a little, yeah, why not? what I'm saying? We're gonna throw a little onion salt. Alright, and of course, some of that pepper. Pepper. Like my man over Hood Mills. We're gonna throw that bitch in there. Air fried today. Ooh, look at them things. Can we throw anything else in this joint when I look at it? Man, it's looking mighty seasoned if I say so myself. Yeah, we're gonna just rock that out because I don't feel like, yeah. Alright, we're gonna start that joint and we're gonna temp and start. Let that rock out. Cool. And yeah, let's go get that steak out so we can get that nice sear on there. 5 minutes on, 4 minutes on each side. Then I'm gonna throw it on the other side and let it cook for like 40 minutes. And then yeah, show you what the business is. Yeah. Boom. All right, guys, we're gonna lay it right here on top of this. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? We're gonna let it rock right there for like 4 minutes. All right, 4 minutes have passed. We're gonna flip that mug. Ooh! Look at that shit. Oh, y'all didn't know I popped some garlics all throughout it too. But that 4 minute rock, you know, on 350, not really where I wanted to be, but who's complaining? All right, we got that nice grill on that side. Let's see what the other side do. Not as much as I like, but it's perfect actually. Let's not be picky in life and just be happy on what God gives you. Looking good right now. I'm gonna just let it rock out. Indirect heat. Oh, let me bring the smoke down so I can really get it on. And we're back in half an hour. Let's sear like the little ends real quick. I like, I'm not really a super fan of the fat, if any. I mean, it's been rendered due to the smoking session. Man, I'm hoping this thing's good. Look at that. Motherfucker's done for real, bro. And it's the final product. You know what I'm saying? Got the potatoes out. Got the nice steak. You know what I'm saying? You know? A little better salad with the blue cheese. I gotta get my dressing right. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Hope you enjoy this. Ooh. Don't let me down. Don't let me down when I bite into you. Ooh. So the moment of truth, what we all been waiting for. What this dinosaur looking like. You know what I'm saying? Look at that thing, boy. Man. Thought I had my son or somebody here to eat it with me, but everybody gone. Oh well. You see it? Matter of fact, let me get closer for y'all. See that? That little potato. Dip it in that gravy. Yeah, everybody. All right, motherfucker. Shit. God damn. The boy's amazing. I don't know if you know. He barely missed. Put a lot of shit. A little better lettuce. I mean, spinach, cucumber. So good. Definitely should try it. Yeah, fuck with me. This thing is good. You get garlic popping out. I only enhance the flavor. Crazy. I ain't gonna eat all this. I'll try. Call this the lonely man meal. Yeah. Definitely the vibe. Definitely the vibe. Oh man, oh, this motherfucking good. Man, this motherfucker hitting. I was actually in the Sam's Club when I was copping this joint. And there was a lady and this old man looking at him. You know, me, I'm a lamb guy. But it wasn't that price that bad, it was like $30. Whew. There's no way I'm gonna eat this whole big ass thing. Man, but I've done myself again. Four. What am I doing with this thing? This thing. Yeah. I'm full. Yeah. How can I bite this bitch again? Yeah. Here's my steak. Look at the tenderness. Tenderism. Tenderism. Won't be jealous. Want to make your own. Well, wow. Look at that. The fat is fire. Like, that's crazy. You know, I'm not the biggest fan for a fatty piece, but my man, the words of Mark Wines, whoa. Pepper smoke. Shit's so tender. You ain't falling off the bone. Love it. I love it. Yeah. Need some more water. Okay. Woo. Man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fly. You know what it is. I really appreciate you. Rock with your boy. He don't miss. Whew. There's some good eating later though, but not too bad. Not too bad. And all the juice, what? It makes these potatoes go crazy. That's ridiculous. I'm sorry. Another banger. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You know, stay tuned for another one. Cooking with Chana. Fuck with your boy. Peace.